Welcome. In this video I will show you where to find the serial number of your ASUS ROG Ally X device. So the first place where you can find your serial number is the back cover of your device, the label on it. If you take a closer look, just let me focus the camera, then you will easily spot your serial number right here. And the other way to find your serial number is by simply entering the BIOS menu. So if you don't have this label, you can simply enter the BIOS menu by pressing the power button to turn your device on, and then start repeatedly pressing the minus button until you see the BIOS menu appearing on your screen. And once you're here, take a look right here. Let me again focus the camera. Here is the serial number to your device. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.